美股周五开高走高，由于许多投资人都趁着股价崩跌逢低买进，美股强力反弹之后，但是联准会最新报告对经济前景悲观，加上疫情有复燃的迹象，市场对经济复苏充满不确定性。美股三大指数本周不但收黑，更创下近3个月以来的新低，最差单周表现。
美股历经前一天崩跌，12号周五反弹力道强劲，出现许多逢低抢进的投资人。在航空以及邮轮类股领军下，三大指数全面收涨，道琼更一度上扬超过800点。不过中场涨幅收敛，道琼工业指数最后上涨477点，收在25605点，涨幅1.9%。
The market's directionally being driven by headlines right now, and the current headlines are that we're seeing an uptick in coronavirus cases around the country, which is not what the market was hoping for. So the headlines aren't telling us the truth, and we can't become hypnotized by that. And we're seeing that roller coaster now. When the negative news is going to be out about COVID, the market will be down, and when it's positive, it'll be up.
不过市场一直担心解封可能导致疫情2次爆发，经济复苏力道反而受到更大冲击。道琼过去这一周跌了5.5%，标普跌幅则是4.7%，纳斯达克指数也下跌2.3%。美股三大指数本周不止收黑，还创下3月20号以来最差单周表现。
CDC revealing today that stricter coronavirus measures might have to be re-implemented in order to avert a second wave of the virus across the country. This is the state of Oregon is already putting some of its reopening plans on hold after a spike in new cases there.
美国目前有14个州确诊感染病例增加超过25%，亚利桑那州过去一周增幅甚至超过90%，全美疫情又蠢蠢欲动。加上联准会最新提交给国会的半年度货币政策报告也表示，经济成长以及就业市场仍充满高度不确定性。
Market has been driven by stimulus, and fundamentals have taken a backseat at least for the last 2 months. But if you look at any leading economic indicator, what it would suggest to you is that things are different than what the market is pricing in.
有分析师认为，市场主要还是受到经济刺激措施的影响，还是处于相对脆弱的阶段。即使在抗议示威、工位危机、经济衰退等多重危机笼罩下，但《华尔街日报》最新的调查还是显示，超过2/3的经济学家预估，美国将从第3季起开始复苏，持续看好美国经济的前景。接林部陈一凡综合报道。